Hello guys, today for video guys. Nagawa kami ng lasagna guys. Ayan. Yung topping. Saka naluto na rin yung meat natin guys. Ayan. Lasang spaghetti guys. At saka yan ang cheese. Anong oras na guys? 11:15 na guys. Ready for tomorrow. Lasagna Filipino food. Paborito ni Madam.